Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create your account on the Binance. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to download the Binance app. So I'm going to open this app here. So now what we have to do, simply as you can see now the Binance app is open. Now we have to click on the continue with Google. And now we have to click on the continue here. So let's click on the continue. And as you can see now we have to choose the email address, that which email address we want to use. For example, I'm going to use this email address here. So we have to choose this one here. And now as you can see, simply we have to click on the continue again. So as you can see now, simply we have to click on the next again. So as you can see now, simply we have to invite. So I'm going to click on the no here, and we have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see now, our account is created here. Now we have to provide some other details here, like we have to provide the national ID card, we have to provide the passport or the driver's license. It's up to you. You have to choose your country here, and after that you have to choose your documents here. And after that you have to click on the continue here, and after clicking on the continue we have to click on the take picture or upload picture, and then we have to click on the continue, and it will goes for the verification. And after that, within 24 hours our account will be ready to use. So in this way you can create your account on the Binance. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.